put nothing here because did you see the hey, are you filming?
Yeah.
I see. I think my knee.
Better?
Of course. You can look at my feet. My feet was this. Now it's here. Right?
Before it was like a ballerina.
Yeah. Like this, no?
Like an almost flat foot
Yeah.
on one side.
Why? I feel more comfortable.
Yeah.
More security.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. I love this color, man.
Yeah, it's like a Ferrari.
Yeah. Red Ferrari. You have a good tools, you have everything, right? Need to change this screw. It looks bad. Yeah, take a, this looks rust.